Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Wednesday, the 11th of March. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. This colder air to the north, I was actually looking at the area around Quebec up to Montreal. You go into the eastern townships up there. Some of you might know those areas. You get up into the Laurentians, Mount Tremblant, and they're talking slippery roads, isolated power outages, tree damage, perhaps if they got enough freezing rain in some locations, some serious utility damage up there. So the good thing is that it is March, so it's not gonna the ice won't last on the trees that long. But boy, there could be a problem up in Quebec and parts of Ontario here. For us, it's just colder weather today after reaching that record high yesterday into the 70s. That record did end up getting shattered in Boston, 74. Now, we'll see a couple of showers possible today, but I think for the most part it's dry. Then tonight we'll see another chance for showers. Temperatures are actually going to go up as a warm front moves through. It's going to be a little bit, dare I say, humid tomorrow. When you get up in the morning, it'll have that smell, that scent in the air of spring. And you'll have noticed even more snow vanishing. I still have a solid 10 inches of snow on the entire backyard. I was outside pruning a lot yesterday. Hours of it, and so many of my evergreens have just, really grown over the past few years, and just need to take them back. It's like a cycle. Temperatures tomorrow night, as I said, going up to the 50s. On Thursday, we're in the 50s with a couple of showers. Cold front comes through. There might be a snow shower Thursday evening with temperatures back under freezing, and then Friday mostly sunny into the mid 40s. Right now, Saturday looks like the pick of the weekend. We'll cloud up on Sunday into the 40s and more rain Sunday night and into Monday. And that could be a pretty good rain slug here. We could use it, but check your sump pumps just in case. Have a great day, everybody.